We are on. We're back. Welcome back. Judah Forever fans and supporters. We are at the waterfall in Gadet, St. Lucia, which is right across from Mardi Gras, where my family land is. And we're walking down to this wash waterfall. Okay, washroom. I'll take a look at the washroom. That's what the sign says. The sign says washroom. So let's see what this looks like. All right. A little river coming through here.
The river coming in there. That's well.
Imagine when the rain falls.
And nice flowers and things. Breadfruit tree, one or tree.
Oh, look, a little thing up there.
We're going up there.
Yeah, we're going up there. Okay. So the washroom is what? Let me see.
Go and see, man. Go and see, man.
We're just taking a little tour. And I'm going to break this down in minutes. Short minutes. Latrine. Oh. Okay. Let me see. So this is the washroom. Uh-oh. Boop. Needs to flush. Well, at least they got a flush toilet here. Out in nature. This is nice. Not too bad. Oh, it goes all the way up there? The trail goes all up there? Yeah. You're on video.
Doesn't matter wherever I'm there, man. I'm not even nice, that's why I'm even taking my picture from here, no?
Yeah. So that's Francis, my cousin. On my mom's side. There are some kids around here. You can hear the voices. So the kids are doing their little tour. We got in for free. Alrighty. Hello. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Flora and fauna and waterfalls. Free flowing water. We have free water around here. No bills. No water bill. This is a mango tree. Huge ass mango tree. Wow, look at that. Nice little pool for fishies. There's no fishy in there. That's fresh water.
When the river big, when there was that,
yeah.
It's so nice, I mean.
So the best time to come here is when the rain falls.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Oops, there we go. Refresh yourself. Nice. Let's continue. Continue going up. Oh, there's another pool here. Hello. Yeah, that's nice. Comes down right here and go across right here. and down to that side over there.
The water coming from another way there.
Yeah. Underneath. Coming from under.
And then you put the thing, you know, they're going to hurry up.
See how the water trails underneath the little bridge to go to this pool? Okay, let's go up. We're going up a little higher.
That's what was coming banana down before.
Uh-huh. Banana field?
Yeah.
Oh, so all of this was banana field?
Yeah, all of that.
Wow. Former banana field that had a waterfall on it.
No, they built that one on, yeah.
Now they build this on it. Okay. So we are at higher level of the falling water.
Right?
It's not much, huh? Not much, but
Drop them, see them.
okay. Let me head up here. Take my time. You can hear me breathing heavy already. Let me go right here. Go around to the side. Oh, there we go. Right up to the top. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Right to the top. Made it all the way since there. Yo! Say hello, you two.
Hey, man, what's up, my brother?
Yeah, man. Ja!
Yeah.
Rastafari. So I'm gonna cut the video short right here. You got the view. I hope this is the best of it. If there's more, I'll be back and show you the rest of it. Until next time. Shalom. Shalom upon all the children of Israel and the tribe of Judah forever.